Hi Cello players, we are working through our Sound Innovations book. We are on page 3. So we're going to be playing numbers 7 through 10 today. A couple things we're working on are first and second endings, intervals, bow changes or string changes, and DC alpha. So we'll review it as we go along. Starting with number 7 is called changing strings. Remember, you're going to roll your bow and roll your right arm up and down as you change between the strings. Here we go. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 8 is called intervals. It just refers to the space between the notes, whether there's one note in between, 2 or 3. Here we go. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play it again, Pam. Number 9 refers to the repeat sign and the first ending. So that first box with the 1 means you play there and then you go back to the beginning, play, and then skip the first ending and play the second ending. Here we go. Play it again, Pam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one on the page, Slavonic folk dance. It has those fancy Italian words DC alpha. DC means to return back to the beginning and play till it says fine. Fine in Italian means end. So you're going to play it all the way through. There is a repeat of the first line. Play it all the way through, then go back to the beginning and play till it says fine. Here we go, Slavonic folk dance. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy practicing. Bye.